So, welcome to another round of programming workout. 5 minutes of typing, 25 minutes of learning. So, let's go. We'll go here and we'll use this. Where's my mouse? Here's my mouse. So, we had a 10% error rate, so let's try to push it down. Okay, I'll start the timer. Here we go. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. 12%. Okay. End of the typing timer. Okay, so we will continue into Java, which is this timer, and last we did or somewhere in here. So we did the methods of the server socket, and then we didn't do the sockets yet. So inet address object, okay. Passport. Okay. So maybe I wanna create in here. I will have this can be this will be a server, right? And then I will have a client, and in the client I will create a socket and stuff. So new socket. Yes, this socket. And we have this oh fuck. We have this multiple constructors, and maybe what I'm interested in is the inet address. Was it socket address? Just inet address. Well, that may be interface. Yeah, extend socket address. Okay. And what does it have? Hostname port. Okay, so we can say localhost and 1234 will be the sink. Sure. What's the problem? Required type proxy. Good, inet. Okay, inet address and then the port. Okay, so I do 234. That should be now okay, right? Yeah, this will be just socket address. So, what the hell? iNet address. Okay. Net address. Now everything is red. Migrate. It's not public, gonna be accessed from outside package. Okay, I don't know how to do this. So what they say? Well, I don't have to create it this way, so I can change this to string host and port, so I can do just here localhost, I think. And now I have problems in here, and that is unhandled exceptions. That is okay. And we will optimize imports. That's okay, I think. Now what? Returns the address of the other computer that this socket is connected to. Get port. Local port. Get route socket address. Get input stream. Okay, so returns the input stream. Okay, so now the input stream is connected to the output stream of the remote socket. Okay. Okay. So maybe we can. Well, how do we do that? I want to create here the client. Here will be the server. We will comment this out. You will be waiting, and then the server will just and also this returns something, I think. Control Shift I. It returns socket. Okay, so we want to extract it to a variable. Socket. Okay. And then socket input, get input stream, So we have the input stream, and then we want what we want. Input stream dot there are some things which we can wrap in this, and that will read the lines and so on. So if I do new new stream, we use tokenizer handler input stream. We have input stream. I don't know. Then we have the INET. INET is good for what? Okay, so we have there's a socket client example. Yes, connecting to server name. Okay, server name. Oh my god, you pass it in. You bastard. How do I do? So here is the so it takes in the arguments, which is kind of bad because I don't know what to write there. So connecting server name and port, find the server name and port. Okay, and just connected to okay. So we can do that. So this is a server, so we go to a client. So I will say here sound connecting to this. I will expect this to host name. Cool. Cool. Then this will be server. Server part. like that. And then I want to, I'll say server name plus, and here we will have this plus port. Here we go. Someone's writing to me. So we have that. Then when we get it, so we do say that we did connect, and we say that to, and here we will say so get dot get. What did he wrote in there? Get remote socket address. Okay, cool. Then what? You write to it? Yeah. So you get data output stream, data output stream it is. That's what I was looking for. So here we will say socket dot get output stream. This will be like so. Output stream. Then I will create a new data output stream. We put in the output stream, extract the whole thing to that. Now we will write to it, and we do data output stream dot write, and we can do string, right? Write bytes, write short. Interesting. Int long short. Write bytes. What did he use? Write UTF. Interesting. Write. Oh, here it is. Write UTF. From. And he was sending. Get locals. Yeah, sure, why not? And here will be socket.get local address. Local address or local socket address? What would be the difference? Okay, and then okay. So we will now take something which the server says. Which will be. Hey, Colonel, how are you today, sir? I wrote Java snippet to do base conversion with arbitrary character set. So you are prepared for another clash of code, huh? Oh, thank you. So the IDX of CB PC at main. Okay, the main new binary new string, and it has this inside of it, two characters, 0 and 1. And then we have a C set, which is OBA. Now you are calling PC. PC is here. It takes the binary and yeah. So you take that, set it in here, and this one is that is a number. Okay, so it's length. Print out B. It's the length. String builder. And while number is greater than 0, we'll do some integer is number divided by the length of the set. I see. Well, set it's array, so 2, and yeah, just mode. I see. So you do, and then oh, that's why you reverse it. Okay, okay, good. So reverse it and do to string, and you're appending the m, which either will be 0 or 1, because we are in this case we are dividing by 2, so it can be only 0 and 1. The remainder, yeah, and so you're building it, and then you reverse it, so the most significant is on the left. You return it, which is this string n. So we'll print out this, and then the CB, that's from C to binary. C stands for something binary, binary to... Okay, so here, base conversion, okay. I see. And then you reverse it, which is CB, get the set and the string. So the set is OBA. Okay, so this is basically not binary, but thirdary. OBA. What is OBA? Oh, I see, I see. I see, I see. That's right. So we put in the binary and n, which is the string. CB. So this is the set, this is the string representation. Now it is in binary. And you have C0 and integer. So we are iterating over the string, and we are taking one at the time. IDX of what? The IDX of is this guy. So to go in the opposite direction, you take each character and multiply it by base to the power n when n is its position. Yeah, that makes sense. But I don't see it yet in the code. I see like here we are taking like each of the character. Here we are taking each of the character. The IDX of a string that oh, that's the set. I see. So we here find the number basically. Okay. Which can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, and so on. So that will be the I wall, right? So this could be 10. Yeah. And then you just add it to the value and return it. Oh, that's pretty nice. Thank you so much, Colonel. Yeah. Okay. What I was doing. Yeah, I noticed because you have this, so and you are taking only the position, right? So you can write here. Well, it always has to be one character long, otherwise it will breaks. It will break in here. But it could be any letter, any character, an array of any single characters. Yeah. Well, thank you very much, Colonel. I do appreciate it. I will keep it here for a little bit longer. I'll move it here so I don't close it by accident. And I will have another look on it. I do understand it, but you know, I want to see it one more in some time again. And yeah, sockets I'm doing in connection. So here, what did I did so far? So I have so we wrote to the server, and now we want to read from the server, right? So socket, we will get input get input stream. Yep, and we will use new data input stream. Put stream in there. Data input stream, and then oh fuck, let's go back. Shift O. And here we will say that we want to print out what is sent to us, which will be print out and data input stream dot read f no utf. Here we go. So that's it. Then we do socket close because we are done with everything. So we have our client, and now I will try to do the same thing on the server side, right? What are we doing? Server side, and in here, so I create the server socket. Then this it's not needed right now, but I will leave it. So here we are waiting for connection, right? We get the socket. Now we got the input stream from the socket. We now want to wrap it in the data input stream. So I do new data input stream. Input stream, and yep. Then we will write out what the client is saying, which will be salt and data input stream dot read utf. Okay, and now we want to send something to the client, so we will get the output stream to the socket. So socket dot get output stream. This is our output stream. We will wrap it so it's easier for us again. So we do new out. That was data output stream. Data output stream. Output stream. And we will extract that. Yeah. And now we will write something to it. So we do data output stream dot write utf, and here we will say hello from server, and here we will do some identification, which will be get local socket address. Yeah. Okay, so we did that. Now we'll close it. Close the socket. Close. And that should work, I think. I think that should work. Okay, so maybe I can run this. Run. Good. Now we go to client, and it's localhost 1234. Okay, and we will run this. Run. Connecting, and we have some problem. Connection refused connect. The server is still running, and it will run forever. Anyway, we are out of the time limit, which means this concludes our Java session. This round, at least.